How to report TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can report TikTok account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to report a TikTok account, you can simply open up the TikTok application here. Once you launch a TikTok app, you can go to any one of the profiles. Now I don't have anything against these profiles, by the way. I'm only showing for the tutorial's purpose. Once I go to someone's profile that I would like to report, I can just tap the share icon from the top right hand side, and here you'll find one of the options from the bottom left that says report. So you want to make sure to tap this little report button there, and when you tap the report option, you'll be able to see the reason as to why you want to report, whether it's their content or their account itself. So depending on whatever it is, you can select a reason and then report that. This way you should be able to report TikTok account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.